Hey, how you doing? In this video, I'm gonna go into the live markets. It is currently 9 a.m. Eastern time, right? And essentially in 30 minutes, the New York Stock Exchange will open. Okay, that's when I personally trade because the stock indices will move a lot. There's a lot of money to be made. Essentially, this is gonna be my last trading day of the week because tomorrow is gonna be a lot of bank holidays. The price will not move tomorrow that much, most likely. But man, enough talking. Let's get into the charts. I'm gonna show you everything step by step. All right, let's go to the markets. Shorted the markets on NQ. Looking for the price to go down following this massive downtrend that we actually have. Oh, I got filled on the order block, so I'm already up like 700. That's crazy. That was interesting of a volume bump as soon as I entered. As soon as we tapped into this order block, look at this. As soon as we tapped into this order block, that's amazing. Let's ride this wave. I'm not going to lie. If we get a rejection, if we get this rejection from here, I'm willing to short. I'm willing to for sure. I just put more money into this one. All right, big banks. I'm out. Bang. In some brokerages, we have to understand that in some brokerages, it might have already swept the liquidity. Okay, we have to understand what is liquidity. It is market orders that needs to get filled, and once those get filled, there's a chance that the price may switch its direction. So if that already swept in some brokerages, it may switch the direction. Okay, that's why I took it. Yeah, man, 1.3k. Okay, let's do a trade recap. Essentially, as you see, this is amazing as looking as trade, right? We got this amazing downtrend now. Okay, how does it move? Low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, low lows. Target this liquidity, and it continues down because it wants to take more liquidity. And you may wonder, like, well, why didn't you target lower then to make more money? Well, for the simple fact that this whole week, like I told you, haven't been moving that nicely. Consolidation attacks, sideways movement attacks could happen after liquidity and also reversals. But I'm fine with this. Okay, essentially, let's just start with the bias. Okay, essentially the bias extremely bearish, right? Look at this amazing downtrend, right? This is low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, low lows. The pattern continues. As you can see, the price is kind of sort of right now making its way to this 4-hour from low. The pattern continues. Low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, low lows. And as you can see, when the session opened, we took these lows right here. As you can see, this 15th low, it only gave us one break of structure to the upside, and then we kind of broke structure to the downside after that, and then we broke structure once to the upside, and we didn't get that confirmation market structure shift. Okay, we need to get two break structure to the upside after the liquidity sweep to confirm that the switch is going to happen, but it didn't happen nicely at this time. Okay, but then we took this mini high right here. Isn't anything crazy, but it was enough for this price action to turn into a downtrend. We have to understand that this mini move up from this liquidity, this move up was just a higher time frame retracement. So impulse, retracement, and now impulse. It's the trend downtrend move, and now we understand. I was like, okay, this is gonna continue down because we're in a higher time frame trend to the downside, and this is gonna go. This is the thing, we have to see the higher time frame trend and then see the lower time frame trend, respect that. Okay, and we saw that right here. As you can see, we broke structure once right here. Low lows, low highs, and low lows. Broke structure here, low highs. Why did I enter? Because we got this amazing bearish order block tapping, and not just only that, amazing reaction immediately off of that. Okay, some brokerages hit the order block a little bit more, and as you can see, as soon as the order block got hit, the price just went down immediately because I enter when the pressure starts to build up. Okay, I enter when the big banks, institutions, and hedge funds want to enter, and we can use these building blocks to know that when will they enter. And look at this amazing reaction. Then we do the pattern again. Low lows, low highs. I re-entered because we got this amazing reaction because this was just a lower high and then lower lows. I re-entered, put some more money in, so I made like 1.3k overall when it hit take profit. Yo man, just like that, $1,300. Okay, I'm not here to flex, I'm here to show that it's possible. I'm 18, and essentially, you know, I want you to also achieve this. You know, it's the freedom, bro. I already went to the gym. Now I'm not sure what to do. Most likely I will. Let's see. I'm not sure, but this is the freedom. Okay, this is the freedom of trading, and I want you to achieve it. Okay, and you may wonder now, how can I also achieve this? How can I also make money? well, don't worry at all, because I actually have a gift for you since you made it this far. Thank you. Comment down below what you thought about this video, and then the gift below this video, the link in the description, it will take you to my free trading course. Okay, it's over 1 hour long, so you'll become profitable after that. You'll learn a lot. So click that video and join the free Telegram as well. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.